go. Oh, a bit of a slope there. So let's have a look. Oh, the rear bogey's come off there. Oh, let's just try it in reverse. It's always a good test of wheels. Particularly over this next set of points, there's a bit of a gap. Oops, my shadow's all over it, but there we go. The Hogwarts Express. Complete with elastic bands, the glue should now be set. A quick parting shot. Look at that sky now. It's been a dull day. Anyway, I want to show you something that I read about and I've just tried. You don't have to take the controller apart, but you can gently drill a hole just about there. Be very careful you don't damage anything inside, just a gentle little hole. If you do want to take it apart, there's one screw hidden under there, and then it clips apart with all sorts of lugs all the way around, so it's really clipped together. So let's turn it on for this parting shot. Reverse, forward. We don't need to run it for this. Let's go back into the sun. Oh well, of course the thing that I've mentioned before is the braking function. That's the bell, that's the whistle, and for me, I'm just going to put that into there. That is Hogwarts Express singing you a Christmas song. All of that is on the sound chip in the original Lionel one, and to access it you need to enable the middle button in here just by drilling a hole through it. I've just stuck a screw in it, just convenient for me. I believe there's more than one tune, but I don't know. Maybe there is just. Oh, it's gone back to a loco again now. Bell. So we'll look again. Let's try it. Oh no, there's just the one tune. Okay, right. No, stop. Oops. You know what? It doesn't stop when you turn off the starting thing. Oh, let's drive it. Let's see the thing moving. But that's it. That's your parting shot. Oh dear. Well, I hope that's brought a smile to your face. Certainly has to mine. I wasn't sure what to expect, but there is another tune on there. Listen, you can hear it now. Oh dear. So that is the Hogwarts Express singing to us, okay? Where are we? Because I've got it in selfie mode, I can't see what I'm looking at. There's quite a lot stored on that sound chip. Oh dear. Let's go. Yes, time to go. Good night, everybody.